watch in effect from Tuesday evening through Wednesday afternoon. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible.
Another flood watch.
Where? Portions of northeast New Jersey, including
It's
the
another
following
aerial
areas:
flood watch.
Eastern Oregon, Eastern Essex, Eastern Passaic, Eastern Union.
Yeah, another aerial
Western
flood
Oregon,
watch.
Western Essex, Western Passaic, and Western
Everyone
Union
went
in
off
Southeast New
except
York,
for you,
including the following
300.
areas:
I don't know
Orange
why.
and Rockland.
Or
When?
yeah,
From Tuesday
baby.
evening through Wednesday afternoon.
Got it.
Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks. Wednesday afternoon. What? Flooding caused by
Let me get the alert.
is possible. Where? Portions of northeast New Jersey, including the following areas: Eastern Bergen, Eastern Essex, Eastern Passaic, Eastern Union, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex,
Yo.
Orange and Rockland. Monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings.
Dude, no.
Those living
This is
in areas
crazy.
prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy now, dude. Wow.
Flood watch in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday afternoon.